Look at what Jack throw up.
It looks,
It'll be awesome.
Did you say Shore City or Beach Town?
Jesus. Alright.
Let's a little louder next time. Make it present. Gotta have a good book.
It's always flat.
Rock and roll! Right.
We can do it. We can work on this together, Mike.
Work on it now.
Did anybody see me bite the mic by accident? Yeah. No, you caught that? I was like, ah! It was great. It was awesome.
Oh, yeah.
This song is just a screaming match.
Come on, Mike. Let's shotgun some beers. Come on. It's not every day that we get to do this.
Alright, fuck it.
It's
a cold element.
Dude. Hey, that was sick though. That was good.
I've been getting the song name.
Oh, we're gonna drink a beer.
I do have any beers. I'm sorry.
Oh,
I did ask your girlfriend. I asked her. Wait, did I ask her? Okay. Oh.
Come on, guys.
All right.